The fourth gun of the Camo Grind Challenge is the Bizon. I really enjoyed the Bizon just because of how large the ammo capacity was. It's definitely a mid-tier weapon. It's not too amazing, it's not too awful, but I definitely did enjoy it at some points of the video. Make sure you go show me some love by liking and subscribing. Hit that notification bell because I will be coming out with a lot more of these videos. And enjoy. Peace. Avidly going for butt kills.
Yeah, I think that's the same thing.
Hey, I got granite. First of many. I know what I jumped to. Alright, we have 6 headshots. Alright, this one feels a little bit more difficult than the rest. Here we go. Nice headshot.
Why is there no headshot multiplier? Like, actually.
Headshot. Damn, who killed me? Woodland, let's go. That's first time. How was that?
Could have been a headshot.
No, got our teammate, dude. Hey, I got Savannah Cambo. Our teammate just killed himself. Alright, that game we got Savannah Camo. How many more do we got left to go? Let's see here. Alright, looks like we're about at 20. Alright, let's keep going. Before I start with the headshot montage of this video, I'd like to give a huge thank you to the partner of this video, W. W is an energy booster without any maltodextrin or dye. Maltodextrin can cause your blood sugar to spike and can cause gut bacteria, so something you overall do not want in the things that you're digesting on a daily basis. With W, you don't feel that energy crash or jitters like you would with other drinks in the market. They have so much variety from push and punch to Calio cream. It's all of the positive you would want from an energy drink without any of the negative. Again, thank you W for partnering with me in this video. The link to the store will be in the description. Make sure to use code WTG10 in the checkout for 10% off. Alright, now let's get back to the video.
Oh, come on. Hail Mary, your marijuana times is hard. Pray with the hooligan, shadows all in the dark. Fellowship with demons and relatives, I'm a star. Life.
Damn, triple kill?
You gotta love him, you gotta trust him. I might be bugging, infomercials and no sleep. Introverted by my thoughts, should you listen, it gets deep. See, once upon a time inside the niggas and garden projects, the object was the process and digest. Adaptation and never.
Yeah, I saw I'm lost again. I'm at 30.
Federal policies, great builders and drug professionals. Anthony was the oldest of 7, well respected, calm and collected. Laughing and joking made life easier. Hard times, mom on crack. A 4-year-old telling his nanny he needed her. His family history pimping and banking. He was meant to be dangerous. Clacked him a grip and start slanging.
I'm gonna go Primus mode on you.
Even got some air from a smoker last weekend. Dodging policemen working for his brick on.
We got our new murder gamer.
Graduated to a brick on him. $10,000 out of for project housing. That's on the daily. Seen his first meal. 20 years old. Had a couple of babies.
Dude, I want that. Oh my god, that clip's going in. Hey. Alright, we are a little bit over halfway for the headshot camos. Let's get these finished real quick and move on to the special camos, because I am done getting headshots with this gun. It is awful.
Every second, every minute.
How was that not a headshot? How was that not a fucking headshot? That's a headshot. Nice, 2 headshots.
It's like the prison map from Black Ops. And it's just.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't gotta say shit. And I know you taste it a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. Live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in the dark room with trusted, I mean I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when.
That's the only reason he has a lot of kills.
For empathy, blood in my pen. Better yet, when your friends and them. I really wanna
Yeah, there's Tide, 75.
Champagne, cold nights, you curse this. You called up your friends and y'all curled in little bitty. I heard
Nice
that.
headshot.
She wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. That ain't good game. Miss sorry. They say
Finally.
conversation. The nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs. So I write it.
Real question.
Real. P.S. You can get it. You can get it. You can get it. You can get it.
Let's go. Last headshot, baby.
Don't
Red Tiger camo. Now I just need hip fires and just 50 kills with the strategist thing on, which I already have it on, so. Lunges. I'll die on that hill. Cringe.
No, but it's alright.
Alright, last game we got both the special challenge camos, and we already got both of them halfway done. That's awesome. So that means we're really close to being able to start gold. Let's do this. There we go. He had them as a body shield, and I just look over, and he's like.
Let's go, I got 35. Oh my god!
One double kill. There's two. There's three.
I bet you that's a good idea.
No. Hail to the no. Nice! I think so. Yeah, I did. There's gold, baby. Alright. Alright, there's the Bizon gold. I didn't have too much fun doing the Bizon. It's kind of a mid-tier SMG. But if you guys enjoyed watching me get gold for the Bizon, make sure to hit subscribe and like. And I will be coming out with more of these again. Thank you to W for partnering with me on this video. And yeah, see you guys next time.